Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H7 smartwatch, and on this video, we will try and have a demo of its smart notifications. So we'll test it, and let's see if it will work with popular applications. We have here our Android smartphone. Let's see if it will work with Viber, Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp application, as well as SMS. So this is a two-part video review for the smart notification. So we'll start with Instagram and Messenger, and for the second video we'll have the WhatsApp application, Viber, and SMS. So if you are interested to see on how the smart or push notification works with the H7 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's start and have a demo of its smart notifications, particularly the Messenger and the Instagram application. So let's send a message. We have here our other smartphone. So let's start with a Messenger. Let's say hello. Hello, H7. We'll see if we'll be able to receive a notification. The message has been delivered. Not yet. Let's say hi again. You'd receive messages here. Okay, we have it here, but we did not receive any notifications. Again, how are you? Send again. Okay, we have it here, but we did not receive any notifications. I don't know why. Okay, we have it now. Just delayed notification, but we have it here. Okay, so something's wrong with our notifications here. Let's see. Where is our message? It's all chat heads here. Let's select this one. I don't see our message here. Again, hi, and we have it here. Okay, we have the message here. Okay, although seems like there's additional message, this one, I don't know why. Okay, so seems like the notification for Messenger here is problematic. And we have the message. Okay, again, and we have here the message. So we have the logo, the name of the sender, and the message. We also have the time here. Okay, let's delete the message. Next, let's have the call notification. So far it works, but there are some issues. I think it's now calling, and we have it here. Okay, seems like you can answer the messenger call directly here on the wearable. So let's try. Hello. Okay, so there's a call messenger. Also there's a call support for messenger here for our H7 smartwatch. So that is very good so far. Okay, but there's an issue with a push notification. Okay, next let's have the Instagram. Same steps. We'll send a message. Say hello. Again, there's a delay, and we have it here now. Okay, Again, let's go back. Okay, so we have here the message, hi, and we have the hello message. Unlike the messenger, we don't receive any chat heads here, additional message or notification. Again, how are you? Send a message. And let's add an emoji. Okay, not yet. There's always a delay for messages here. And we have it here now. So there's no support for emoji, as you can see here. But you can receive messages. How about the call? Okay, we have a missed call here. Okay, it works. Then before we end, let's send a longer message. Copy. Then let's send this one. Let's see if we can receive a longer message. And we have here the message. Again. Okay, so we have here the message, and there is a scrolling support, as you can see here. Okay. So that's it for our demo for the H7 smartwatch with a messenger, Facebook Messenger, and the Instagram application. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And of course, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.